My name is Ramah H. Benwade from the AHS School. Today I want to compare this product, this printer and this notebook. Notebook more lighter than this thing and more heavy and hard to bring to everywhere. And notebook has a screen that can be see movie, hear music and anything else. But printer only can write things on the paper.